Hi everyone, Michel here with Michel Real Estate, and in this video I will show you how you can evaluate property within just a couple of minutes. No need to deep dive into square meters, what was the price sold at the notary and so forth. All you need is a internet connection and just have a look at the market. So without further ado, I'll show you what I do. So let's do a little case study here. So I have this apartment, which you can see here. It is located in Differdange. So this is a neat apartment. It's quite spacious, has a big kitchen, living area, a big island, bedroom, a very specific bathroom. This is where the water comes down. It's quite specific. And there's also a shower in it. And hallway, we have a balcony with a neat view, and this is then the outside part of the building. Right, so this is the apartment that we have listed currently at a price of 680k, a 2-bedroom flat. It's been on the market for quite a while, so the owners have come back to me and asked, hey, what do you think we need to lower price to in order to get it sold? So what we do is we simply re-evaluate the property. And you can do the same with any kind of property that you're looking at. So the first thing we do, we go to athome or immotop.lu and we type in Differdange. Now what will pop up is basically two things. We once have a commune and we also have the locality. So sometimes a commune has multiple villages within it. So in this case, I'll just go for Differdange the commune. Type of property, it's an apartment. I'm not going to put any kind of budget. I'm just going to look at the rooms. I need a minimum of 2 rooms because in the end I need to know how many people I can get into the apartment. Is it a big family? Is it something for a single person? In this case we have 2 bedrooms, so we will only compare with 2 bedrooms and up, because I need to know what the bottom is and I also need to know what the ceiling is, and the ceiling is usually the price point of a 3-bedroom apartment. So let's start our search. Right, so what pops up immediately is these 237 announcements which correspond with our search. These are, again, only 2-bedroom apartments in Differdange. Now what will come up here is of course a mix and match of different apartments at different price points, because we are in this pertinence, which means that the cards are shuffled. And by the way, agencies can pay to be announced higher when you click on this. That's not what we want. What we want to know is price. So we put price first. And in this case, we will have first the lower price, which here we can see is a 2-bedroom apartment in Differdange, 56 square meters. It's not built yet, as we can see. It's just some plans. And price would be 290,000. That's pretty cheap in my opinion, but travaux en cours means that their works are happening as we speak. It's not sold yet or built. It's not completely ready. Then there's a few odd apartments which do not have any kind of pictures. Then we move on to what here has been sold. 350k seems a bit cheap. It's within a house, so it means the house has been converted into apartments. 75 square meters, the other one has 90 plus square meters, so it doesn't correspond, and there's no parking. But what I'm going to start looking for is not specifically what the interior looks like. I'm going to look at what has sold. So here we have one, 399k, 2 apartments, 50 square meters, does not completely correspond. Looking inside, I can see it's under the roof. Not the same. This has an odd shape with this wall. It has like a trapeze type of shape. It's not quite the same as ours, so that is the bottom. It has been sold. So if they would want to definitely sell it, they would have to go to 400k in order to get it sold at this point. I keep looking, right? Because that's not the only thing. I want to know how high they can go with their price, not how low they can go with their price. And I keep going and going, and I see that there's a lot of properties which have not been sold yet. There is not a banner which says sous compromis. Or if I go to the second page, and now we find something that is sous compromis, a red ugly kitchen, which corresponds more or less with our red bathroom. Let's go look inside. It's pretty neat, kind of modern, all white colors. That's what buyers like. Bathroom is okay, no renovations to be planned here, but it does not have a parking. 450k, not bad. It's been sold, so it's off the market. And I keep looking for more. Can I go any higher? Still a lot of apartments that have, oh, there we go. Sous compromis, so it's under offer and it's been signed. 72 square meters. We're getting higher to that 500k price point. In Niederkorn, same area. Pretty neat, somewhat modern, has a balcony, has a car parking. Yeah, well, maybe the bathroom needs some updating. Not bad. Okay, moving on. So now I know that I can sell it for 490k. And moving on, still too many apartments. So the market is pretty much flooded with apartments, and I'm not quite sure that we can go any higher. Yes, we can. Here we have another apartment also under offering. Yep. Kind of specific, old furniture, bathroom needs some updating. Under the roof, maybe it's duplex, it has it has 4 bedrooms. Something's odd here, hold on, let me have a look here. Something's not quite adding up. Is this maybe a house that has been misplaced by the agency? I'm going quickly through it. Yeah, this seems more like a house. Oh, it's a duplex format, meaning that there's basically one floor here and another one here, and then there's another one. But I can see here 3 mailboxes. It's odd. Seems a bit odd that this is the amount of square meters that are included at this price point. They probably sold it cheap. Maybe they were under the gun, had to sell it quickly. But again, it's a good comparative. Right, now I'm gonna continue another one, 500k. All right, now we're talking. Let's have a look at it. Does this correspond to ours? Nice big kitchen with an island. Moving on to these pictures. Modern furniture, white colors. Again, that's what buyers like. Oh, that's a nice bathroom. Yeah, that's the type of shower that people really love. This could work. 490, huh? Was it? Oh, 500k. Okay, 83 square meters, 2 park garage. So basically, they have 1 more parking. Not so great for our competitor here. Anything else? No, it looks to me that we have started to reach. Here we have another one. 529 is the price. Kitchen is neat, open, spacious. Yeah, this could work. 3 bedrooms. Again under the roof. Right, and now I think we have been through the top. Yeah, so that is basically, here's another one, but this prices means that this is a new construction, so it's not been built yet. So now I know we have reached the absolute top of the market and we are still under 540k. Can I find anything else? I don't see anything. Let's go to the 5th page, because that's the price that we have announced it at the 600 mark. And here we have another one which has been sold, but I know that this one has been set as sold for a very long time, so this does not apply anymore in my opinion. So you have to be vigilant, you have to keep an eye on the market. All right, other than that, now I'm starting to see more and more new properties pop up. You see these prices? This means that it's a new construction. So basically, if I'm starting to compete with an older property at 680k and I can buy something new at 575k, that means we have an issue and we have to drop price. Again, there's too much on this market. There's way too many offerings. People can choose and pick out what they like most. And as I can tell, there are no longer any apartments which have been sold, which have been under contract. These are new properties again, and basically this means that we have reached the absolute top. In this case then, oh wait, there's another one. 600,000 in Differdange, no other pictures, similar, yeah, it's similar square meters, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and of course 1 parking. Anything else? Anything else? Yes, here we go. 680k, 80 square meters. All right, it's pretty neat. Again, a Remax property. Usually they leave them on for endless years just to show people that they can sell something. That's not really what I'm doing though, but hey, that's a discussion for a completely different video. No, it looks like we have reached the absolute top. So all of these other properties are priced way below our property. So if I would be fair to my clients, I would have to say you have to sell it around the 530 to 580 price point. And now you can do exactly the same. There's no need for you to go and figure out price per square meter. You just need to look at the market, see where it fits in, and wherever it fits in, that's where you know you can sell it. So the absolute top that I can have for this property is 600K. Let's have a look at the property. Again, a bit wider pictures here. All right, so it's a new construction. It's newer than our construction. If you remember, we had a older building. Where did I put it? It's right here. All right, so as you can see, it's a bit older. Now here we have something a bit more modern. And therefore, I know that we have to stay under the 600,000 euro price point in order to get it sold today. What these people could do is, of course, wait the situation out, wait until there's more properties sold, hopefully, and hope that there's not many more properties that come on the market. But this is how you can do a very quick, fair evaluation of any kind of property. Just check where it fits into the market, and that's it. That's all you need to do. So, if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like my video, and do all the other things to follow me on social media. In any case, my name is Michel with Michel Real Estate. See you in the next one.